Joe Mantegna here with my MasterSpas story. And for me, it began with a phone call that I got from my dear friend, Kevin Sorbo. When you get a phone call from Hercules, you take it very seriously. And Kevin called me and says, Joe, I got to tell you something. I've got this MasterSpas. I think you should talk to these people. And as it turned out, we were doing a whole renovation on the house at the time. There was a hot tub that had been here that was totally defunct. It came with the house when we bought it, and we knew we had to get rid of it. So the timing couldn't have been better. And you can see by the locale, it'd be a little tricky to get in a puppy this size through the front door. So you can imagine the excitement when that crane pulled up out front. Well, maybe put it this way, I can see the ocean from where I'm sitting right here, but I would much rather spend my time in the MasterSpas because first of all, I don't have to worry about sharks, dolphins, or seals, or pelicans crapping on me and all that. I love living here. I love being on the ocean. But if I'm going to get in the water, this is my first choice. You know, to be able to swim, to exercise, to use the jets, to these little mini waterfalls kind of pouring into it, gives it just even a visually great look. You can use it as an implement of exercise without necessarily having to combat the Pacific Ocean. You know, you can control the waves, let's put it that way. So in other words, you have something that can double as something you just want to kind of be able to hang out, sit by the spa, have a drink and whatever. And yet on the other hand, also use it as one of your main forms of exercise. It's kind of been a dream come true for this to happen. So a big thank you to Hercules, Kevin, for making that initial call that started this whole ball rolling. And the ocean will take care of itself. You'll find me in here.
Relax. It's MasterSpas.
MasterSpas. Good.